Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.10, Problem 12. This is Section 4.10, Problem 12. It says 1 fluid ounce equals 29.57 milliliters. How many milliliters are in 12 fluid ounces? So 12 fluid ounces is like a standard size soda can. What would that be in milliliters? So start with the given quantity. That would be 12 fluid ounces. And it has to get multiplied times a fraction that's equivalent to 1. And what goes in the numerator and denominator of the fraction is important. You want to put the quantity in the denominator that will cancel the given units. So 1 fluid ounce will go in the denominator. And the equivalent in milliliters, according to my question here, is 29.57 milliliters. Again, these can be abbreviated to ml if you want, for milliliters. Now, when I multiply that out, I have fluid ounces in the numerator, fluid ounces in the denominator. They will cancel. And the unit of measure that I'll be left with is milliliters. So the math that I'm going to have to do, I will have 12 times 29.57. And again, my units of measure will be milliliters. Now, that's not something that most people will be able to do in their head. It's very tedious to do by hand. I would recommend using a calculator. Just 12 times 29.57. Your calculator will tell you pretty quickly that that is 354.84. Again, you must include your units of measure, which is milliliters. So the answer is 12 fluid ounces is equivalent to 354.84 milliliters.